Hey everybody, Victor from Bourbonnais Motor Cars. Here to make another walk-around video. This time it's going to be on a 2021 GLC 300. As you've seen in a few different videos, to give people a closer look at the inside and the outside of the vehicle, I usually go over the build sheet. That way you have an idea of what these cars come with, what they look like, and then you kind of get a good overall feel. Today we're going to be looking at the inside and the outside. I'm doing the video a little bit different. Typically I walk around with the phone. This time I'm trying it to where I'm overlaid. You'll see the video playing in the background here, and we're going to get an idea of size, design, features really quickly. And usually these videos are 10 or 15 minutes long. I'm going to try and cut it down to about half of that, just so folks have a moment to kind of look at it and you're not dragging on with too much information, because you're going to see a lot of this stuff when you come into the store. So today, the 2021 Mercedes-Benz GLC 300. Now this one has the AMG package, which I think is just fantastic. Some of the things that come with that, now it's a Sportline exterior and Sportline interior, so you'll see the 21-inch wheels in part of the video. Really, really nice multi-spoke wheels, and usually they have black accent. These don't, so they match the car with the gray paint that this one had. Now this one's going to have the selenite gray metallic, so it's a darker gray, more of a metallic gray, and then the AMG black MB text. So MB text is really what a lot of manufacturers are using. It's more of a synthetic leather, and it lasts longer. It's a little bit more comfortable, and just overall durability is huge with those. So you don't want your leather tearing or extreme wear or anything like that. This one has the premium package, so what you get with that is illuminated dorsal panels, 64 ambient lighting. So you've seen me in past videos go over that, where in the MBUX system, which is the radio control, you'll actually get a really good control of personalization in terms of profiles. You'll be able to pick which color you want from a variety of colors, and then set that so whenever you get in the car, it feels like it's more built for you. Some of the other things that are really neat: LED logo projectors, so whenever you open the door, there's the Mercedes logos that will broadcast on the ground. This one comes with the all-season weather mats. Heated steering wheel, which right now, when it's 6 degrees outside and probably colder with the windshield, that's amazing. I wish I had it in my car. This one overall has the surround view system, so whenever you put the car in reverse, you'll actually get a full top-down satellite view of the car. So the people that I'm doing the video for, they actually live in the city of Chicago, and they are in there. Parking, if you've ever been in the city of Chicago, is not fun, and these cameras make all the difference. So in terms of making that parking spot just that much easier, it's a really nice thing to have for sure. Now this one's gonna have, like I said, I correct myself, 20-inch AMG multi-spoke wheels. They look a lot bigger on the car than they actually are. Most of your other things are gonna be standard. I mean, there's 2 pages, and then the first page and a half are actually standard features. Some of the things in Mercedes that are pretty standard, which you've heard me talk about before. A lot of your systems are automatic: windshield wipers, auto heating, PARKTRONIC, which is standard, which is really nice, and it kind of goes along with that surround view. So there's going to be a button right in your center console. You'll see it in the video. There's a little square P with a camera logo. You press that, the car will actually start looking for parking spots, and if you perpendicular park or if you want to parallel park, the car will actually do that for you. Something I can go over in the store to kind of give you an example of what that looks like, so you're not kind of shocked on how it works, because when you feel like, you know, the car is driving itself, it can be a little jarring at first. Some of the more convenient features that I like, if you're not into using the standard like radio, if you have an iPhone or an Android phone, the car is going to come equipped with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. So those two, when you plug in your phone in the charging port, it'll actually take over the main screen, and your radio will actually turn into your phone screen, letting you use navigation, entering texts. If you use Pandora, Spotify, all that will actually be built in and compatible. Some of the other things here, so pre-safe is really nice, along with auto active brake assist. So some of those things are just really going to be around safety. Then what that means is if there's something imminent happening in front of you, the car will emergency, it'll brake and it'll stop and prevent that accident from happening. Some of the little things too: heated front seats, heated washer system, so that's going to be really nice in the winter. And yeah, I mean, chrome roof rails are there. And I mean, mostly it's just going to be your standard features. When you're in the store, I go over that in depth, how you control it, setting up your profile, along with the Mercedes Me app, which you'll get 3 years of complimentary remote start service, as well as some monitoring systems like fuel, service appointments. You'll get a year of concierge service. I hope to see everybody soon. And the folks that are coming out this Saturday, we look forward to seeing them here at the store. Hopefully this gives you a really good look at the car. I had Davey at some point in the video sit in the back seat of the car. He's about 5'9", maybe 6 feet, so give you really good kind of space on that back seat, with the seat kind of where I would sit. I'm about 5'8", so he can sit comfortably behind me, and you get pretty good space for being a mid-size SUV. At any time, if you guys have any questions or comments, anybody on YouTube or social media where this is going to be posted, write in the comments, let me know, and I'll answer questions about the systems, about Mercedes in general, or just about cars. I'm a big car fan, so if you have questions about any cars, I work with Mercedes and Mazda specifically, so any of those, let me know. We do have some coming in if you're interested. We're located in Bourbonnais, Illinois. Phone number here, 815-933-2100. And once again, I thank everybody for watching. This, like I said, shorter video this time around. We'll see how this one looks and kind of goes with everybody watching it. I look forward to making more.